Hi, my name is Yojiro from Mashulin. Today I'd like to share with you about our technology called Flashtouch and some of its use case and business model. I'd like to start off with introducing some program of the conventional method. About 5 to 8 years ago in Japan, a very futuristic experience was invented. Any user could pay for the train ride with the touch of their feature phone to the gate. But unfortunately, the market share of the feature phone has been replaced by smartphones. As a result, we lost some useful functions and experiences. Now, with using icon or NFC function, a smartphone can communicate with digital peripheral devices. However, to use these functions, people must install each application for each individual purpose. Also, there are some limitations like OS version or mobile device type. So we can solve this complicated problem with our innovative technology called Flashtouch. Flashtouch enables data communication between touchscreen-based mobile device and the digital peripheral devices. He has it now. And this patent of the technology is composed with Flashtouch hardware device and screen page for signal transaction, which is integrated to the native app or web page. This technology allows data communication by using only web browser, so we can skip the operation of installing an app and remove the limitation set by mobile device type and OS version. Next, I will explain about the technology of Flashtouch. The photon transistor receives data as a visible color signal from the screen of the mobile device, and at the same time, the capacitive reverse passes the data to the mobile device display as the capacitive signal change. So he will show the demo.
I will show the demo. So this is a website, and this situation,
So for the coupon using at the storefront.
Yes. So once user can touch this button and touch the flash box, and then we show the coupon. So.
Okay, so Flashtouch has 4 remarkable features. The Flashtouch system can be used only on any kind of small devices which has been touchscreen display. Universal interface is a minimal requirement from the perspective of wide system distribution. And Flashtouch is suitable for secure transaction like payment or key system. This is because the transaction is processed with a single-use, unique encrypted signal. Additionally, the data is stored in the cloud server. It's hard to scan or clone the signal because it will change every time. It's a unique signal. And this is the most remarkable feature of Flashtouch, that this system can keep the hassle of installing an app, so it can reduce the stress and the burden for both the user and the service developers. And for data communication with server, Flashtouch requires only the user mobile device's network. So this feature eliminates the handicap of the system distribution and simplifies setup operation for merchant side. So we began several trial projects with partners. And everyone knows payment systems are the largest business market, but it's also the most difficult change for setup. By partnering with big system vendors in Japan, which supports the payment system, we can create a new and clear value to both the users and the merchants. If the user wishes to use credit card or debit card at the storefront, all they need to do is to store their card information into the payment app and touch the pay. At the same time, user can store their receipt data into their smartphone and automatically sync the data with an accounting app, its example. And this is a more simple and valuable user experience, we think. And smart key systems are also the big trend in the world, but our focus is how to simplify the user experience in the sharing economy and hotel key system. Within smart keys using Flashtouch, after you make a reservation for a hotel online, you will receive an email about your reservation, including the link for your room. And you only have to tap the link on smartphone and touch your mobile screen to the Flashtouch hardware device. You don't need to install a hotel app every time. So the business model of Flashtouch is different from the other hardware setup. We provide Flashtouch to the client for $20 plus subscription per month per ID. Each Flashtouch device has a unique device ID, so we can charge depending on the duration of device activation. This business model has high switching costs because once the new hardware system is integrated to the client service, clients cannot terminate the subscription service. So client will not have to pay for the initial cost of distribution. So Flash can eliminate the handicap of initial distribution cost and the hassle of the setup at merchant storefronts. Then we have already started trial project with some partners in the field of marketing, payment, key system, and ticketing. We plan to expand this business by collaboration with such partners. With integration of Flashtouch system, their service will change to become ready for.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Questions from the judges at all? Any questions? Thank you. Taraki.
Thanks for the presentation. This is your unique technology, right?
Yes, patent pending.
So you have a patent or IP or something, right?
Patent applied status, yes.
Okay, good.
Any other questions from the judges at all? Tim.
On your revenue model, I was a little unclear. So the clients that you're working with now, how many devices do they use? So is it a $20 per device for a 1,000 room hotel per month, or how does that work?
$20 per device, one device per ID, and we can charge per ID per month. So for example, 1,000 device in the hotel, so we can charge almost the 20,000, like that.
Okay, thanks.
Any other questions from the judges at all? No? That's it?
I have one quick question. So you said you were going to use it in the hotel. How do you avoid someone coming in with the same code and unlocking the door? Does that change, or so? For example, if the hotel booking is issuing a code, you go and show it to the door and it unlocks, right?
Yeah, just open the link from the reservation mail and tap to the device and open and lock it.
And that code changes, or can I come back in 2 days and go back in the room?
It depends on the expiration date. For example, the checkout time is the tomorrow 10 a.m. It's no more expired. They cannot use it.
So technically, they could remove it.
It's controlled in the server side.
A few more questions, sorry. Shingo.
All right, quick one. Could you tell me, so what do you want to do with this in 3 years' time, 5 years' time? Is it just hotel doors and coupons, or what's your model?
Our partner is maybe a hotel and
About 3 years, 5 years. Where do you see this going? 3 years, 5 years?
The short-term clients. Yeah, we plan to expand to the hotel in the world and the payment system and ticketing. We're thinking now about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
If the key is a simple URL and not a one-time key, what prevents someone from just taking the video of the pattern and using it?
Just a flashlight signal, the communication with the device, the signal will change every time. So just one time someone scan and clone the signal, it's no more work.
Okay. Any more questions? No? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.